Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and fine. Welcome to our grammar class. Today we are going to start chapter 1, the sentence. Chapter 1, the sentence, which is given on page number 5 on your grammar textbook. And from this chapter we are going to discuss about kinds of sentences also. Okay? So let's start the class. We already learned about sentences from our previous classes, right? To speak, read, write, we make use of sentences, right? And what is sentence? Listen here. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Again, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It's a collection of words that makes a complete sense, which means a sentence is a group of words used to express our feelings or idea. Or in other words, it's a way to communicate with others. It's a way to communicate with others. That's sentence. Understood? So, next we can discuss about kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentence we can see here. There are 4 kinds of sentence we can see here. Which are they? Statements or declarative sentences. The first one is statements or declarative sentences. The second one is interrogative sentences or questions. Interrogative sentences or questions. The third one is exclamatory sentences. And the fourth one is imperative sentences or commands. Okay, these are the 4 kinds of sentence. Children, can you able to understand me? It's very interesting. Okay, fine. Now we are discussing about kinds of sentences. The first one is statements or declarative sentences. Statements or declarative sentences. A statement states something. Understood? A statement states something and it can be positive idea or negative idea, and it always ends with full stop. Understood? These sentences always ends with full stop. Listen to examples. She is going to school. It's a positive idea and it ends with full stop. The baby cries loudly. That also ends with full stop. She gives us food. That also ends with full stop. And I don't like chocolates. That's a negative idea. That also ends with full stop. Understood? This is statements or declarative sentences. Understood? The second one is interrogative sentences or questions. Interrogative sentences or questions. The interrogative sentences or questions always ask about something. Okay? The interrogative sentences or questions always ask about something and it always ends with question mark. This always ends with question mark. Okay? Listen to examples. Where do you live? Where do you live? See, it ends with question mark. Who was there in the forest? Who was there in the forest? That also ends with question mark. The fourth one is, why is he swimming alone? That also ends with question mark. When will he do his homework? See? It ends with question mark. This is interrogative sentences or questions. Okay? It's always asked about something. Okay? And the third one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences always expresses strong feelings. Okay? It always lunch. That also ends with exclamation mark. See how we laugh. How we laugh. Next one, what an idea. Sometimes we are also using what an idea. Okay, that also ends with exclamation mark. Okay, this is exclamatory sentences. And the last and final kind of sentence is imperative sentences or commands. Imperative sentences or commands. Imperative sentences or commands express commands, instructions or requests. Okay, imperative sentences express instructions, requests or commands, and it also ends with full stop. It also ends with full stop. And imperative sentences always negative idea or positive idea. Okay, the positive imperative sentences always start with letters or please. Imperative positive sentences starts with please or letters, and imperative negative sentences always start with let us not, do not. Imperative negative sentences always starts with let us not, do not. Let us not, do not. This is imperative sentences or commands, and it ends with full stop. Okay. See, listen to examples. Sit down. The sentence ends with full stop. Turn the AC on. See, ends with full stop. Don't move. Okay. Then let us not worry. Okay. Let us not worry. So, this is imperative sentences or commands. So, students, today we learned about the sentence and kinds of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Understood? And we learned the 4 kinds of sentences. Which are they? Statements or declarative sentences, and interrogative sentences or questions, and exclamatory sentences, and imperative sentences or commands. And already I explained these with the help of some examples. Students, I hope you all are understood what I taught today. Revise all with the help of your textbook, and God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice day.